This is CompaX, a grade 5 titanium compass designed for multiple ways to carry. It was built to adapt to how you move. Whether it's worn on your wrist, clipped to your bag, or attached to your gear, this tool keeps your direction visible at all times. It's reliable, tough, and always within reach. The creators of this gadget started with a simple question. What if your compass lived on your wrist? In a moment that matters, like on a bike or in an emergency, your instinct is to look down. You shouldn't have to stop and search. This tool is as accessible as a watch and as immediate as your instinct. It features a large 28-inch dial that is much bigger than your typical keychain compass. The size isn't just for show, it's for clarity. You can read it instantly without squinting. Because it's liquid-filled, the needle stays steady even while you are moving. It even includes a small leveling bubble. When that bubble is centered, you know your reading is perfectly accurate. The body of this tool is machined from a single block of titanium. This metal is used in aerospace because it's lightweight and won't rust. It can handle rain, mud, and extreme temperatures without missing a beat. One of the coolest things about this gadget is the 4 raised corners. They aren't just for looks. Each corner is a functional emergency window breaker. It turns a piece of navigation gear into a life-saving safety tool. What happens when the sun goes down? This tool is ready. It features a glow-in-the-dark dial that lights up the night. Plus, there are 4 slots for tritium tubes. This means you get a persistent glow without needing batteries or a flashlight. It's a quiet, reliable orientation when you need it most. This gadget doesn't dictate how you use it. It comes with a detachable clip and double lanyard holes. You can hook it to your waist, clip it to a backpack, or wear it as a pendant. It's designed to sit close to your skin with a contoured shape that feels smooth and balanced. It's never bulky and never digs into your wrist. Using this tool with a map is simple. First, find your destination on the map and lay the device along that line. Rotate both the map and the compass until the north on your map aligns with the needle. Now the index line points exactly where you need to go. No guesswork, no apps, just physics. It's a professional-grade tool for people who value precision. No batteries, no screens, just north, always there. If you want a reliable way to keep your bearings, check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your fellow hikers, and subscribe for more gear deep dives.